heartbreaks, wasn't a girlfriend or anything like that. And I just decided to do something innovative away from conventional basketball, away from the NBA. Slam magazine released the routing of the tour, saw that Portland was on there. So I put all that energy into training, and I knew that this was my shot.